Hi, I'm Sarah from Stampin' Up, and I'm here to help you create the Confetti Birthday Kit. This kit comes with everything you need to quickly create confetti shaker cards, a total of 9 cards in 3 interactive designs. This kit makes shaker cards quick and easy. I'm going to leave these finished cards on the table as a point of reference. Here's everything you'll need to complete your confetti birthday kit. And don't forget to refer to your printed step-by-step instructions. If you have any questions about the products I use in this video, feel free to check out our What's What in Your Kit video linked in the description below. I like to sort my kit before I get started. That way, I know which parts and pieces are used for which card. Now that we're set up for success, let's get started. I prefer to do my stamping first. Stamp before you stick. Stamping can be intimidating, but don't worry, we've got this. We'll need our block, stamp set, and ink spot. Place your desired stamp on your block, open your ink spot, and we're good to go. For a clear image, you'll want to ink your stamp well. All it takes is a few good taps across the entire image. If you want to practice first, go ahead and stamp a time or 2 on your chipboard. When you're ready to stamp, ink your image, line it up, and press down firmly and evenly. These photopolymer stamps allow you to see where you're stamping. And there you go. When you're done stamping, just grab a wet cloth, paper towel, or baby wipe to clean your stamp, and put it back on your stamp sheet. For more tips on stamping, check out our How to Stamp video linked in the description. Now that we've stamped everything, we're ready to create our cards. As we make these cards, feel free to refer to your instructions or pause or rewind the video as we go along. It's totally okay to craft at your own pace. Each shaker card will be created a little differently. Let's create the blue card first with the sentiment, "Let's party." Take your cellophane bag and insert the bright green cardstock with the white side facing the adhesive seal. Once the cardstock is in the cellophane bag, put the sequins in front of the cardstock. Then seal your bag. Next, we'll place the tear and tape on the back of the cellophane bag. Adhere the sentiment to the front, and here's our first card. The second card is a little bit different. We'll fill the cellophane bag the same way, then adhere it to the card. You'll want to use the tear and tape on the inside of the card and line it up with the present window. And don't forget to put your green die cut on the front of the card as well. For the third card, we'll want to do things the same way. Look at these fun interactive cards. Our projects may not look exactly the same, and that's totally okay. Your personal touch and creativity are what make them special. If you liked crafting with the kit today, we have more kits to choose from. Just go to our online store to see the full selection. Click Shop Products and then Kits Collection to choose your next creative experience. I'm excited to send these fun cards to friends and family for upcoming celebrations. Until next time, enjoy!